The TVR Intensive Survey Project (TISP) is a new fieldwork initiative led by James Osborne, Assistant Professor of Anatomy and Archaeology at the Oriental Institute. TISP works under the research permit of the larger Cognac Regional Archaeological Survey Project (KRASP) directed by Michel Massad British Institute at Ankara and Christoph Bachhuber Oxford University. KRASP is a multi-pronged landscape project, of which TISP is just one component, that seeks to understand region-wide processes including the origins of sedentarism, the rise of urbanism, and early state formation in the Cognac Plain, the region in southern Turkey that is littered with mounds of all periods. For the results of the inaugural 2019 field season, including the discovery of a hieroglyphic Luwitan inscription, as well as plans for 2020, please see the TVR page on the KRASP website. This part of Turkey is perhaps most famous for its Neolithic sites, especially the UNESCO World Heritage Site of Çatalhöyük, located under 20 kilometers from TVR. Bronze and Iron Age archaeology in Cognac has received far less attention, despite the evidence for complex political formations demonstrated by the palaces of Cognac that date to the Old Assyrian trading colony period of the early 2nd millennium BCE, for example. Likewise, historical sources inform us that this part of Cognac was very likely within the territory of the late Bronze Age state of Tarhuntusa, friend and rival of the Hittite Empire, as well as the Iron Age kingdom of Tabal. Judging from its size and its proximity to nearby landscape monuments like Kızıldağ, TVR is certain to have been a major political center in both of these kingdoms. The upper city is approximately 25 ha in extent and 35 meters in height, testifying to a long history of occupation. Preliminary surface collections have also demonstrated the lower town from the late 2nd and early 1st millennia BCE that is at least 80 ha in size and possibly as much as twice that figure. In order to gain an understanding of the site's urban trajectory, TISP will be conducting a high-resolution surface survey of the lower town. Ceramic and other artifactual data collected from the surface of the site will clarify its full areal extent, illustrate how the settlement's population density was distributed across the city, provide a period-by-period picture of the ancient city as its fortunes waxed and waned through time, and indicate how neighborhoods were organized functionally. This surface collection will be accompanied by a program of drone-dated aerial photography that will create a digital elevation model of the site's topography at centimeter-level accuracy, allowing for spatial modeling and analysis. Future seasons will incorporate remote sensing techniques like magnetometry and resistivity, which have the ability to map building plans without excavation. KRASP is an interdisciplinary study of the Cognac Plain, central Turkey. We are addressing a number of fundamental developments in this region from a landscape-oriented perspective, including the impacts of food production and water management on the ecologies of the plain, and spatially extensive phenomena such as the onset and collapse of urbanization and state aggregation. The chronological scope of KRASP spans from the Ceramic Neolithic to the end of the Iron Age ca 9500 to 300 BC. We are using this website to explain our approaches to the Cognac Plain, and to provide a resource for the data and results of our project. We invite you to step inside some of the archaeological landscapes of the Cognac Plain through the links provided above. What do you think, guys? Whose kingdom it could be? Comment down below.